Are you swamped with tasks and struggling to keep your projects on track? Welcome. Let's dive in a step-by-step tutorial on how to master the Jira Software planning board to transform your project management. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the planning board layout. Notice the columns. These represent your workflow stages, also known as your swim lanes. Each card represents an issue, a task, or a piece of work, and these cards are what you will manipulate. The key to the planning board's power lies in its drag and drop functionality. To move an issue, simply click and hold the issue card, drag it across the board to the relevant column, and release. This instantly updates the issue status. Let's move a story card from to do to in progress. Now that you know how to move around issues, it's time to get organized. You can arrange the issues within each column based on priority or assignees by simply dragging and dropping cards in the desired order. This visual arrangement is critical for assessing project progress quickly, ensuring the important tasks are tackled on time, giving you a clear project overview. Finally, let's examine the workflow setup. Your planning board reflects a workflow, defining the life cycle of your issues. You can customize workflows to match your team's needs. Click on the board settings to change the swim lanes or add new ones. Tailor your workflow to reflect your project stages, creating a clear path for each issue. Congrats, you've got some issue movement skills. Use the power of the Jira planning board. The drag and drop, the organization, and your tailored workflow will ensure that you have a smooth operation.